Alright guys, so what we're going to go over is this Megacade here. We have a Megacade with a 32-inch screen and a 40-inch screen in the background. We have these 16-inch wide control panels, extra wide control panels. We have a Donkey Kong wrapping, and we have some color changing LED bulbs on this guy. We also have a little switch down here, and it's a little flick switch. When we do, we have that to power up the buttons, the power lights, to power on the lights. I'm sorry, the LED lights. And what we're gonna do right now is press the little on button, which is down here somewhere. It's that guy there. Turns on all the buttons all around the machine, and everything starts lighting up here. You have the 412 one turn on down below. And you have the 55,000, the PCs turn on the back. So we're going to let this guy turn on really quick. And actually it's not so quick. It takes a little while. And we're going to do a little walk around here of this guy. We have a couple little things, cool little features in the back. And we have a little Xbox 360 little controller here. There's a little button to sync up your controllers. A USB hub here in the back that's on the outside, so it's easily accessible. And we have all the HDMI outputs and inputs, inside here, so that's kind of neat. We have a couple things we're going to show you guys here. We got the 412 already start up. We still have the machine in the background working, starting up. We have the trackball working. I guess in the meantime, I'll show you guys this guy here. Show you guys a little bit of Galaga Plague. I know the back screen is gonna light up anytime now. There it is. We have a little intro. Alright, so there's that. What we're going to do now is jump out of the, jump out of this 412 here. Take it back to the menu. So we don't hear it while the other one's playing. So we have this guy here, the big system, the 55,001. So with this guy, what you do is just use a joystick, and you can just choose your games. What you usually do, just go jump into MAME. Press the start button. There's a start button here, or an enter button. I'm going to press that guy. Oh, you have a little bit. Show you guys some of the control panel. Put a little red button here for the enter. Obviously it says coin. First player start button. We have the second player start button and the coin button, and we have an escape button. So to jump out of the games, kind of set it off to the corner there. It's kind of blending in with a barrel a little bit, so we decided to put a black button in there rather than a LED button. And what that allows us to do is to jump in and out of games. So if we want to exit a certain game or certain menu, you simply press that. You press the enter to jump in on that end. So it's kind of neat. I just want to show you guys a little bit of a walk around of just what it looks like, what it sounds like, and it has some really cool speaker holes that are the original Donkey Kong Nintendo cabinet style holes. Has little grills. It has some grills up top to allow the air to flow through the machine. We have some more air vents up top and some sound vents down below. So what's kind of neat about these vents is that they kind of serve a double purpose. They allow air to enter through the bottom and to blow out the top. We have some fans blowing inside, and it really helps out with cooling it down. We do have a full-blown PC inside, so that thing's hauling. But yeah, I was hoping to show you guys what it looks like, a little walk around, I guess. I'm going to end up having to do pull this thing away from the wall here. and kind of do a little walk around. So we have a TV stand in the back that holds up the TV mount, the TV itself. So we have a universal TV mount, and you can literally install any size monitor in here. Obviously, you can just adjust it with the TV brackets and raise it up or down. These guys, we're starting to add those to the machine. Yeah, we do add a mounting plate down below. Now, what's cool about that is that it also has another plate on the inside. So what it's doing is sandwiching the wood, so you're not just breaking away the like if someone hangs on it or something, they're not breaking away the top of the cabinet and pulling the screws out. It doesn't have wood screws. They're actually bolts with washers on the interior and an extra wall mount plate. So it's heavy duty as all hell. A small child could probably climb up that thing and have no problem. And that's the idea, in fact. So what we also have down here is a volume control knob, and it also has a audio jack on that guy, so you could use headphones. And it also has auxiliary in, so you can also plug in a phone with and use this thing as a jukebox. So it's kind of neat. You can do a couple things here with it. Hope you guys like it. We're kind of just walking around and just showing what it's, some of the details. And I guess the monitor in the back, we go a little bit bigger. Usually we go about 55 inch. This is a 40. It seems like this is a good size. It's not overhanging over the edges here. And again, we have another bracket that we have that can actually adjust the depth of the monitor. So you could actually slide it back and forth. That way, when you're playing here, you don't have this guy on your shoulder or too close to you. So it's kind of neat that you can do that. We're also doing a fold down, and we're going to do a pack away. So you can, if you're going to move it around the house or move it in your car, you're going to be able to bring it down on top of itself, and kind of sandwich it down and take it through doorways and putting it in a car or whatever you need to do, without having to dismantle the back TV mount. So that's another thing, another option we have. So yeah, if you guys like it, let me know, man. Take care.